Ever wondered how some Infosys employees seem to consistently climb the financial ladder? Today, we're diving deep into how Infosys empowers its workforce to build wealth and achieve financial growth. Step 1. Understand the core strategy. Career progression. Infosys is generally known for its strong internal promotion pathways. The first major avenue for financial growth lies directly in upward mobility as you gain experience and prove your value. Promotions typically come with increased responsibilities and, of course, a higher salary. Look for opportunities to take on more challenging projects and always strive to excel. Next up, special projects. They're a key factor. Infosys often assigns employees to high visibility, high-impact projects. These projects can fast-track your career and increase your earning potential. They can also give you cross-functional skills and increase your visibility. Try to be on the lookout for opportunities in high-profile projects. Finally, let's look at incentives, such as bonuses and profit sharing can significantly boost your annual earnings. Strong performance is often rewarded, so consistently exceed expectations and seek out opportunities where your contributions can be highlighted. Actively demonstrate your value to the company. This combination, when put together, is how many Infosys employees grow their wealth. Remember, this is just a framework.